everybody. Let me tell you a story about the man I love. So here we go. You know I want to tell you something that maybe you don't know. When I first saw you in that red color that you love to wear, I swear to you I will be your one and only girl. 'Cause I know I won't let you go away. I know that you will love me too. I know that you will miss me too. 'Cause I do, I do, I do, I do. Would love you too, my boy. No other man, I wanna spend my life with. You are the one that I wanna live. I go wherever you take me so. In Tokyo, in Mexico, even in the show, I will be your shadow everywhere you go. 'Cause I love you so. I gotta live for you, boy. Gotta live with you, boy. Love me, love me, love me. Guess what? I met my boy in the crowd. When I see he's standing on the stage with crowd, in the middle of the beat out loud, I could smile from his eyes, then my heart aloud. I never forget how you sting me with your lips, giving me charge like a blitz on hits. It is something that I don't wanna miss. When your lips is on my lips.